All right, Tuesdays and two bets. We back again, man. My boy RC Custom showed us some more love, man. So the day's task. Hey, man, we really like these handles. This is like the third vehicle that we'll be getting these things installed in. Nice design, man. Very nice design. So if y'all in the market for some nice flush door handles, man, y'all look up my boy RC Customs and give him a shout, man. Fast shipping, great customer service. There if you need any questions. If you have any questions, he'd be right on time. So today we putting them on a 81. Woo-hoo. 81 Camaro. These handles specialize in the handles that lift up. So we're gonna be putting them on this 81 Camaro. That's new to the camp. Oh yeah, it's T-top. Just picked this up. We came back from Asheville, North Carolina. We drove it back. Drove it back about what, hour and a half, 2 hours? Boy, we were 2 hours rolling. Boy, we went doing 80 plus. We was eating dust. So we finna get these panels off. Let's see here, a couple screwdrivers. We're gonna take these panels off, Mo. We'll start with the passenger side. So we'll fuck up on the passenger side and get the driver's side right. You use that side more than anything, so I say mess it up. We ain't gonna mess it up though. I think we got these here figured out. I'm gonna show y'all why we drove this sucker here back. I'm gonna show y'all why we drove it back. Nice crate motor. Nice crate motor. So we're gonna come under here, clean up a few things. Already got vintage air. Nice little car. Headers. Hey man, dude did a nice job on this build here. Very nice job. Electric fan, nice radiator. Man, we drove it back with absolutely no issues, so that's definitely a plus. Upper control arms. Coilovers, frame extenders, new tank. You name it, man, he pretty much went through it as a nice driver, so. But we got to come back in for body bag season. So we're gonna come back in and, you know, we got to revamp it. He got a nice color on here, but Gizmo didn't approve the color. Gizmo didn't approve the color, so we're gonna switch the color up, add some flavor to it. Y'all know how we coming. But he got us there. He got us there. So first thing first, get this door panel off, pull the locks out, the door handles out, pull my welder out. Boy, I'm getting pretty good at this welding thing. I'm starting to do this mess here like every other weekend. Be a professional a little bit. Boy, it look a lot better with them T-tops out, don't it? Oh, man. Oh, man. 81 Camaro. So Mo trying to find the tools. You got the drill? Probably find the red one. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated on how this go. Bam! Like I say, man, if y'all looking for them handles, shout my boy out at RC Customs, man. He do us right every time. And we got another set actually to put in a Monte Carlo. So that's what we do. I'll be back in a minute.